mag-obey sa atong policy.
Thank you so much for your cooperation. So the performance of Higamash Festival actually showed us as well kung paano ka manangin, kung kinakakaroon natin sa importansya ang atong agricultural sector. Ini nga sektor sa atong ang dapat tungkulan. Of course, hindi lang sa Pangosang Lucena, hindi lang sa probinsya sa Iloilo, but of course sa Iloilo, sa atong magiging sa Pilipinas.
Kaya hindi lang ang ginahalungan natin ang mga bugay na nagaling sa ating Ginoo, but also we also take good care and give premium appreciation sa aton ng mga maunga and Ilonggo laborers, farmers, mga fishermen, saludo kita sa inyo.
That is their right, Sir Mike. So it is a performance na pina-empower din ang aton ng mga farmers, ang aton ng mga mamunga. At hindi na ito pakita ng na naging pakita sila across. And that also shows the deep devotion of the people in Lucena. Or gina-acknowledge nila ang aton na Diyos bilang source of all the blessings that everyone receives in their town and even in our province.
Yes, Ma'am Joy. Speaking of hardworking Ilonggos, we would like also to acknowledge na ginagaan importansya ang aton ng mga uniformed personnel from the Philippine National Police, from the Bureau of Fall Protection. We also have the Red Cross. We also have people or maintenance personnel sa Iloilo Sports Complex na magagulik sa aton, not just to maintain the peacefulness, no? Kag-sige sa aton, tanan, but also to protecting our venue as well. To make sure nga, kinalagaan naman ang aton venue.
Salamat din sa inyo na kooperasyon at pagpanaling pagit sa aton nga selebrasyon sa
to a smoke-free Iloilo City, the only smoke-free ASEAN Gold Award in 2024. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited in public places, public conveniences, establishments, and especially in this area of event. The Iloilo City Anti-Smoking Task Force contains agents, allies, volunteers, and PNP are around to ensure that we are free from secondhand smoke as we enjoy this event. Again, no smoking, no vaping, no selling, and no advertisement of cigarette and vape drugs. Thank you very much. Iloilo Dinigang Festival 2026 is presented by Iloilo City Government, Iloilo City, Sunset Parish Pasal, Iloilo Festival Foundation Incorporated, and Iloilo Provincial Government. And I would like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Their support will be the youngest way of hero in making us such possible. Please join us in showing them our appreciation. Our planning sponsors, Double Trump Corporation, Carolyn Global Solutions, SM City Iloilo, Tito, Macroworld, Air Asia, Smart Communications, our Sapphire sponsors, Sandia Brewery Incorporated, Coca-Cola, Robinson's Mall, Glow. Our gold sponsors, Tiki and everyone by Finland, Halon Pay, More Electric and Power Corporation, BYD Iloilo, and Resorts. Our silver sponsors, Jollibee, Security, Shopping, Metro Pacific Iloilo Motors Incorporated, AC Health. Our bronze sponsors, Cebu Pacific Air, the Development Bank of the Philippines, WS, Evan, we companies and Philippine Performance Marketing Corporation, Backboard, McDonald's, JS Lysol, International Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, Manila Energy Development Corporation, Matrix Ray, Mommy Snob, Finma University of Iloilo, Chevy Petroleum Incorporated, Art Pro, PLDT. Our main sponsors, Department of Tourism Region 6, Reed, Elsvier, Inspiro, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated.